There's an old saying in the American wilderness: black fight back, brown lay down, white say goodnight. It sounds like a poem, but it's actually a survival rule. Black bears, they usually attack out of fear. If one comes at you, fighting back might be your only chance. Grizzlies are different. One charge from a brown bear and your best hope is to lie down and play dead, because you're not winning that fight. But the polar bear, the silent white hunter of the Arctic. If a polar bear is walking toward you, it's not curious, it's hunting. And that's why the last line isn't a joke. Good night is a warning. So now the real question is, which bear would you never want to meet?